Okay, so quick update today. I was really hoping I was going to be able to sit here with you guys and go through the process of uploading each of the masters and kind of having the album ready to go on CD Baby's website. And I've gotten kind of through all the steps on the website other than literally uploading the songs, the most important step. And the reason I hadn't done that is because I hadn't actually bounced the masters. I had them like all in the mastering session, and I bounced them as like one big track, but I didn't bounce them individually. So I bounced them individually, and I haven't listened to the EP in a while. I very intentionally tried to like take some space away from it, kind of let my ear forget about it, so I could come back and listen to it with fresh ears. Hopefully, to hear new things, not wanting to like have my ear like be in the rut and to like know what's coming, and just hear it a little bit more fresh. And I was a little bit bummed when I did that today because I rendered out all the files. I have the masters. They're now done. But it still felt, how like we were struggling so much with the volume. Some of the tracks, some of the problem spots that I thought we had ironed out still felt bad. And I want to give myself the freedom that maybe it's just listening just on these specific headphones and stuff like that. I'm going to listen to it tomorrow in the car. I have a drive tomorrow, and that'll be what I do tomorrow, is just listen all the way through the EP on that drive and try to see if it sounds okay there. And if it sounds okay there, I think I'll just send it and not just let the project be what it is and not overthink it. But, I want to be able to look back on the music and be like, oh, I love that. That was great. I'm excited to listen to it, not constantly be listening to all the things I don't like about it, So I'm going to tweak it a little bit, but I can also show you the other thing I did today, which was finishing the album art. This looks very similar to what it did in the last episode for sure, but this bottom bar here, I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do with that. Previously, we had this like little Monster Cat-esque tag down here, but I showed it to a friend, and they're like, "Oh, like Monster Cat." I'm like, "Okay, they clearly. I'm not sponsored by Monster Cat. I don't want to like look like I'm trying to parodying them." And this kind of felt a little cleaner in some ways. So, yeah, this is the album art that will be on the album. It is done. I have confirmed that, and so now it's time to just get those masters in exactly the right spot. Maybe allow myself to tweak them just a little bit more. I really need to call the project done, though, and just move on. So, yeah, not exactly a thrilling episode today, but, this is the process. There's always iteration. There's always, wrestling with little roadblocks that pop up and wrestling with your own internal perception of your music. So, yep, continuing to improve, continuing to grow here. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.